This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin with quick, essential checks so you don't chase the wrong problem. First, flip the ring/silent switch and increase volume. Keyboard clicks honor that state. Then open Settings Sounds and Haptics and make sure Keyboard clicks is toggled on. This is the core setting. If it's already on, restart your iPhone to refresh system audio services. Once done, test typing and notes. This verifies whether basic software controls fix the issue. Now you'll dig deeper into system features that mute feedback. Make sure Focus or Do Not Disturb isn't silencing keyboard clicks. Disable or adjust Allowed Notifications because these modes can suppress UI sounds. Next, visit Accessibility Audio/Visual to confirm mono audio and other audio routing aren't interfering. Then test typing in Messages, Safari, and Notes and try a third-party keyboard. This isolates whether the issue is app-specific or global. If different apps behave differently, you've narrowed the root cause. Finish by applying fixes that resolve stubborn software conflicts. Update to the latest iOS. System updates often restore sound bugs. If that fails, reset the keyboard dictionary or reset all settings. This keeps your data but returns system defaults and often restores audio behavior. Once reset, retest typing. If keyboard clicks still won't play, back up your device and contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for hardware diagnostics. A faulty speaker or logic board can also prevent click sounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.